We are in our performance book, level 1 of our piano adventure series, and we are playing Jack and the Beanstalk. Now, this is a fun little song. If you know the story about Jack and the Beanstalk, this piece we are going to start down at the ground, and we are going to be moving up in the beanstalk. And at the very end, Jack falls down the beanstalk as he's trying to get away from the giant. And there's two different ways you can play this. You can start up here and you can play it with your finger, or you can play it like this. So whichever way you want to play that, make it your own and put the ending on it that you wish. And we'll see how I feel by the time I get to the end of the piece. Will I do him tumbling down, or is he going to slide down the beanstalk? Okay, so here we are. We are in the same position where both thumbs are on middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4.